All right, this dance is a no walkthrough, so take your hands in groups of 4 and circle left one place to Beckett. Straight across, you circle to the left, go 3 places round. Do-si-do to a short wave across. Balance the wave. Walk forward, swing a new neighbor. Gents by the left, 1.5. Pass partner right, half a hay. Partner balance and swing. You circle. Do-si-do. New neighbor swing. Gents by the left. Half a hay, pass partner right. Swing a new neighbor. Gents by the left. Half a hay, pass your partner. You circle. Balance the wave. Swing. Gents.